Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you 3 glam home decor DIYs using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for my first project. Here, I'm using a generous amount of fixed solid adhesive and hot glue to adhere 2 of these Dollar Tree white candle holders together. Next, I used hot glue to attach Dollar Tree jewel and pearl stickers to my candle holders. Once I was happy with the placement of my stickers, I removed the hot glue strings, and here's the finished look. I've paired my new candle holders with this beautiful fur box that I made also using Dollar Tree supplies. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it in the cards above. Now on to project number 2. For this project, I've decided to spruce up this plain plastic photo frame that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I did was remove this 4x6 mirror from its ornate frame, and then I used 100% acetone to remove the reflective paint from the center of my mirror. I showed you guys how to remove the reflective side of a mirror in my last video, so I won't include that footage here, but if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the cards above. Once the center of my mirror was completely clear, I then used a thin layer of the fixed solid adhesive to attach the mirror to the front of my plastic frame. "20 minutes later, I added the self-adhesive gemstone stickers to my frame as well. To personalize my frame, I decided to add this silver metallic letter that I already had to the bottom right corner of my frame. The only thing left to do was to clean my mirror, and here's the finished look. Here are the supplies that I used for project number 3. Here I've removed the 8x10 mirrors from their frames, and I'm using one of those mirrors to trace out and cut the 3 pieces of foam board that I need for this project. I then covered one side of one of those pieces of foam board with black felt. Next, I used a combination of Fix-All adhesive and hot glue to attach one of my mirrors on top of that foam board. I then cut out the center of my two remaining pieces of foam board. I then used hot glue to glue those two pieces of foam board together, and then I again used hot glue and the Fix-All adhesive to attach those foam pieces on top of my mirror. I'm adding these clear acrylic gems to my design, but you could also use pearls or any type of decorative filler. I added a pack and a half of the acrylic gems, and then I used hot glue and Fix-All adhesive to attach my second mirror on top of that foam board. I'm covering the sides of my design with 4 rows of diamond wrap. Since the corners of the mirror are sharp, I made sure to cover them with the diamond wrap. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors and removed the glue strings. I also made a second piece using some decorative filler that I picked up from Michael's for $3 with a 50% off coupon. And when I was done, I had something that looked like this. You can use these in a number of different ways, but I'll be using these as mirrored risers around my home. If you're unfamiliar with risers, you simply place them under home decor pieces to give them added height. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye!